This is what it looks like in this bag. Can you see it? Hi guys! So I haven't really filmed in this setup, but I hope you guys are okay with this setup. So I did purchase something a bit recently, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I also wanted to say, you know, with everything going on with COVID-19, I am self-quarantining at home. So yeah, I'm working from home until further notice. Of course, I do all my YouTube stuff at home. So I do want to make a bit more content just because I have more free time now, and obviously I'm stuck at home and can't go outside, so I might as well be productive about it. So you guys will be seeing a higher frequency of videos from me, so I hope you guys like that. Comment down below if there's anything you want to see from me, obviously, like something that I can do for you guys, and I think that's about it. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. So this is what it looks like. I'm sure I must have included it in the thumbnail, so it won't be too much of a surprise. I've been wanting this handbag for a while. I've been really super into shoulder bags, so let's just open her up. She comes in this bag. Can you guys see it? Ah! Yay! Okay, how do I open this? Whoa! Whoa! Ah! So I haven't bought a bag in a long time. Oh, she even gave me like a little holder. How nice. She's so nice. So yeah, I haven't bought a bag in a long time. So yeah, this is my first vintage bag. This is a Dior mini saddlebag, I believe. Is on. Oh, it's so cute. Try and get a thumbnail. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I think it fits. Yeah, it fits my camera. I just shoved the bag up against it. It doesn't really have too much of a scent. It does have like a slight closet scent. I'm gonna like try to clean it up a little bit, but I think it's in great condition. I won it on an eBay bid. I've been looking for a Dior bag with like this beautiful oblique pattern. The last bag I bought was the Chloe backpack last year. Wow, the clasp is in really nice condition. It doesn't have too many scratches on it. I will try to do it up close for you guys. Actually, I can just do that now. This is what it looks like. This is the front zipper part. Zipper zips really nice. Yep. Yay! This probably has the same capacity as a mini Chanel bag. It's much more flexible than that. And yeah, I just really wanted something with like a Dior logo on it, so I got my hands on it. Again, it is a vintage bag. There's not much info on it, but I did check and it looks as authentic, and it looks super authentic to me. It is made in Spain, and it comes with like a stamp on it. So yeah, super cute. Everything seems to check out. Although I'm not a professional at Dior stuff or really anything. But yeah, I'm super excited. It's so cute. Ooh, I love it. I can't wait to wear it like in the summertime and in the springtime. It's so cute. Do you wear it like this or do you wear it the other way? I don't know, huh? I'll try to look up pictures of what other girls do. I'm just gonna grab. Okay, so I got some essentials. I have my coin purse, miscellaneous purse pouch, and then I have my wallet, and I also got a little lippy. And let me see how she fits inside. Yep, they fit no problem. I like that it's really light too. I feel like I'm just dragging on this video. I don't have much else to say, but yeah, this is the new baby to everything. I do kind of want to like make room and sell some things, but I haven't really made moves. Hi guys, I just wanted to pop in. Sorry if I look tired, that is because I am. I edited 2 videos today, one of which is this video, so I hope you guys like it. I just wanted to pop in and say that you guys are so cute because I asked you guys for guesses for what bag I got. I'll try to include it on screen here, so a lot of you guys did guess like Chanel and Louis Vuitton, which is like so obvious because I do shop there, but only one person guessed it right, so I want to give her a shout out. So shout out to Tiffany Lepetis, I think. Sorry if I'm butchering your last name, but here's her Instagram. Oh, let me pull up her submission. So yes, so she guessed Dior saddle, and yeah, so cute. So hi Tiffany. I don't know how you guessed it because I literally gave no indication about me wanting it, so literally mad brownie points. But yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye. I'll stop dragging on this video, so bye. But yeah, that's it. That's everything on her. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, please give it a like, and if you're new here and would like to see more from me, please subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Used to. I don't hear from you like I used to.